Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a new project called JP Dargah. So let us see how this project is and how shall we get into this location. This JP Dargah is close to Kottur and Shadnagar, and we shall take Hyderabad, Shadnagar and Outer Ring Road, and then we have to take the Bangalore highway to get to this location. So this is how the main road in the highway. So we need to take the Bangalore highway to go to JP Dargah. So this is how the main road is. So it's a developing place because Dargah, the state government has given a lot of importance and priority to get developed because it's a pilgrimage place. So it is quite developing, and so you can expect a good returns for this place. So this is the new venture we are entering into. So this is the new venture. This is how it looks. So quite developing, and it's well planned as per Vastu, and it's a gated community again. So many companies like MSN, NATCO, LV Prasad Eye Institute, which got hooked up with Nocto again, and Nocto schools are also there close to this JP Dargah venture. So this is the new venture. This is how it looks with compound wall and good plantation and flowering plants also. So this is near Kottur and Shadnagar. So this is how it looks, and we have also got Symbiosis University, and we can expect a zoo park in future here. This is the gate, entrance gate. So this is a good project again. So let us get into the highlights. It's 100% Vastu clear title project. It's an HMDA approved layout with bank loan facility, and it's democrated plots are there, and it's 24/7 security with blacktop roads 30 to 40 feet. We have footpath also with curbing stones, street lights, electricity, overhead water tanks, pipelines, drainage system, and avenue, plantation, parks, children's play area is also there. It's a completely residential plots, and we have got villas also around yet to be launched in future. So this is all residential area only, it's not any commercial purposes area, and this is how it looks. Drainage system, this is how it is, the whole venture. This is how it looks. You can just have a look. Let us see some of the location highlights. It's very close to Hyderabad International Airport, and also close to Shadnagar municipality. So it is also close to National Highway 44, which is Bangalore highway, and so we are expecting Kottur MMTS, so that you can get access to this place much easier. So you can expect more development because of the expected MMTS, and many villas are getting planned around this venture. So that makes you feel that it's completely a residential place. So this is the whole venture and the roads. This is how it's look. This was all about today's new venture, JP Dargah. So friends, hope you have enjoyed. Please call us on the below given number for more details. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.